is a very important lesson because we are going to learn prime and composite numbers. And these prime numbers are going to be of help throughout your schooling. You need to differentiate between prime and composite numbers. Now, if you can see, I have written all the numbers between 1 and all from 1 and 100. I have written in two colors. The yellow color, as you can see, they are odd numbers. Okay, so the yellow numbers are all odd and the blue numbers are all even. So we know that even numbers are numbers which are divisible by 2, isn't it? So what is a prime number first of all? Prime number is a number which has only 2 factors. In the earlier classes, we learned how to find out the factors of all the numbers. Say for example 1. The factors of 1 is only 1. Only 1 ones are 1. No other number will divide 1. Only 1 can divide 1. Then the factors of 2. 1 and 2. Only 2 factors. Then the factors of 3. 1 and 3. Then you have factors of 4. You have 1, 4 and also 2 2s are 4. 3 factors are there for 4. Then for 5, you have 1 and 5. Then for 6, you have 1 and 6. Then for 7, 1 and 7. Then for 8, 1, 8, 2, 4s are 8. Then factors of 9, 1 9s are 9, 3 3s are 9. So 3 factors of 9. Then factors of 10, 1 10s are 10, 2 5s are 10. That's it. No other factors of 10. Like this, if we keep finding out the factors of numbers, what do we see? That 1 has only 1 factor. 2 has 2. This one also has 2. This one has 3. So I will write it with a different color. This one has 2. This 6 I did not write the other factors. 2 3s are 6. This one has 4 factors. This has 2. This 4. This 3. This 4. Number 11, 2. Only this one is a number which has only 1 factor. Then other numbers have at least 2 factors. Some have 3. Some have 4 also. So you will have no other number which will have only 1 factor. So 1 is called a unique number. 1 is called a unique number because it has only 1 factor. So 1 is neither a prime number nor a composite number. 1 prime number bhi nahi hai, composite number bhi nahi hai, because it has only 1 factor. And these numbers which have 2 factors, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, they are having 2 factors. So these type of numbers which have only 2 factors are called prime numbers. Okay? And the other numbers which have more than 2 factors, they are called composite numbers. That is the meaning. Now, if you look at the prime numbers, 2 is a prime number. The factors are 1 and 2, means 1 and the number itself. The factors of 3 are 1 and the number itself, 3. 5, 1 and the number itself, 5. Next is 7, 1 and the number itself, 11, 1 and the number itself 11. So prime factor, prime numbers are numbers which have only two factors. And which are those two factors? One is 1 and one is the number itself. So that is what is a prime number. Now to find out the prime numbers from 1 to 100, we will not sit and list all the factors. There is a simple way in which we can find out all the prime numbers which are there from 1 to 100. Okay. First few we already finished finding out. And we already learned, I told you to remember these 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. These ones I asked you to remember. So these we know are prime numbers. Ones 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. So these we have already learned looking at this. Okay. Now in the remaining table, I want to know which are prime numbers. Now we just said that if a number has to be prime, it has to have only two factors. Matlab, it can be divided by 1 and itself, means the number itself. If it is divisible by any other number, 1 or अपने आप से छोड़ के, giving itself and 1, if it can be divided by any number, then it is not a prime number. So if you look at all these numbers here, they are all even numbers. So they are divisible by 2. All of these numbers. So everything which is written in blue will straight away get cancelled because all of these numbers are divisible by 2 also. 12 is divisible by 1, 12 is divisible by 12, 12 is divisible by 2, 12 is divisible by 6, it is divisible by 3, it is divisible by 4, so there are so many factors. So we are not bothered about all the other factors. We are just seeing that it is also divisible by 2. Now why is 2 a prime number? Because it is divisible only by 1 and by 2. But all of these are divisible by 2 also, other than themselves and 1. So these are not prime numbers. So I straight away cancel them. All the even numbers will straight away get cancelled. So we come to know that only 2 is prime number and is an even number. और कोई भी number जो even है is not a prime number. If a number is even, it cannot be prime because it is also divisible by 2. How many numbers straight away we could cancel just because we know they are divisible by 2. Now you check if the number is divisible by 3. You know the divisibility test of 3. 3 will obviously be divisible by 3. But 3 is divisible just by 1 and 3. Okay. Now next is 6. 6 is already cancelled. After 6 comes 9. 9 is also divisible by 3. It will get cancelled. Next 12 is divisible. It is cancelled. 15 is divisible. Cancelled. Okay. Then which else? 18 cancelled. 21 is divisible by 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. Then 2 plus 4 is 6. Cancelled. Then 2 plus 7 is 9. Divisible by 3. 30 is cancelled. 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, 48, 51. I'm cutting all these because they are divisible by 3. 5 plus 1 is 6. Then 54, 57, 60, 63, 66 is already cut. 69, 72, 75, 78, 81, 84, 87, 90, 93, 96, 99. These were all the numbers that are divisible by 3. Then you check the numbers which are divisible by 5. First you check 2, 20, now 5. So all the numbers that are ending in 5. This, 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 this. Okay, and now last, only one more you have to check, that is 7. Okay, all the multiples of 7 you have to remove from here. 7 is a prime number, 7 2s are 14, 7 3s are 21, 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, 7 6s are 42, 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56, 7 9s are 63, 7 10s are 70, 7 11s are 77, 7 12s are 84, 7 13s are 91. Okay, enough. Over. Now, whichever numbers are left, they are all your prime numbers. Numbers are left 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 18, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47, 59, 61, 7, 71, 73, 79, 83, 89, and this only 97. So these are the prime numbers. Now, if you count them, there will be 25 prime numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 25 prime numbers from 1 to 100. And 1 is the only number which is neither prime nor composite.